Right, so today, big day, going up the mast to fit some of the new equipment, just the new wind vane, take the old radar down and fit the new one, but I haven't been up the mast before, so that should be fun. So I'll just be getting hoisted up here, all the way up there, start at the top and then just work my way down. This should be fun, like, interesting. I thought I was getting a hand and I'm not, so I'm just gonna have to make it up and figure it out as I go. It'll all be sound and then I'll go sailing. What's this? Is this for self-hoisting? Doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get up this, to be honest. It's just not happening, I don't think. This isn't fun. So I've managed to fucking get it down. This fucker here. So I've unscrewed it. I need to just get it down. I've been up here for fucking ages trying to do that. Oh, I don't even like heights. But fucking shit's gotta be done. Oh, it's supposed to be fucking fun, this sailing shite. Oh, this bollocks getting the boat ready. Yeah, just get me out. So we're off, out the loch we go, nice and successful so far. We've got a boat passing on the port side, so once we're passed through the loch we're out to sea. Hopefully it's going to be a good day. Oh yeah, can't wait, cannot wait. Look at the weather. Ooh, yeah. It's one big ass ship there. Here we go. What do we have here? Like an old world structure. Antiquitech over there. Guaranteed. So just heading back in now. I'm starting to feel a bit green. Forgot my seasickness tablets. Just feeling a bit queasy. Had a nice day out, but just heading back in now. Gonna put the sails down, just motor in. Feel like I'm gonna piang. Oh, so yeah, it's been a good day, but I'm feeling a bit fucking ill now. So I'm up the top of the mast, it's on, oh yeah, and it's working, and I am fucking soiling my drawers because it's fucking extremely high at the top. Ooh, it's a long way down. Thank fuck it's done. Mission accomplished. Next stop, North Wales from South Wales. Oh yeah. Yeah, all down, babe. I was down when I sent you that. I wasn't doing that at the top of the day. It was fucking terrifying. So all down, safe, and as you can see, it works. Let's have a look. If I switch that. Yeah, see. And that little finger moves. So how good's that? I'm just turning on the old thing now, just to see if it all comes through. The wind direction. I'll have to add it, but it should do. So I'll just check that and then we're good. Alright, my love. Off we go, off out to sea. Nice bit of wind coming today. Should be a lovely day. Nice bit of sailing on the go. Yeah, we're just out. Lovely day. Crazy. No wind in the sails, and it is fantastic. Showing along a nice 5 knots nearly. Absolutely great. Knots. Lovely. Nice. So been doing some jobs today. So what we've come up with is fitting the big ass battery here, 200 lithium ion, lithium phosphate actually. RNLI, we've got the 3000 watt inverter there. Made this for the battery to go on, secured it to some existing stuff. That's going in there. That's just going to go into there naturally. There's a piece that cuts that across. So that's all perfect once that's fitted. Perfect, all tucked away nicely. And then we've got the rest of the stuff to just get wired in here. So that'll happen in a bit. So after the mishap a few weeks ago, when the impeller went, I had to get rescued, to towed in by the RNLI, thank God for them. Yeah, I'm now down in the engine bay, going to fix the impeller. Not done this before, I've watched a few videos, but gonna give it a go. So I'm just in here. I've just took one screw out to see how they are. Yeah, come out easy. So I'm just gonna get in there, take off the faceplate, and then yeah, just pull out the impeller, and hopefully I've got the right one. Get this fixed, but it's like one problem after another. This time I got down the boat, again, just stupid. For some reason, I leave my water pump on. I thought it was the auto bilge pumps for some reason. So when I got back to the boat this time, it was just humming. I don't know how long it'd been on and been down here for about 2 weeks. So then I turned it off. When I spoke to the guys over at the boat yard, and they said, "Oh yeah, you should leave that off." I was like, "Ah." So not the end of the world. Just that me taps aren't working. Well, I just need to refill me water up and then trace the leak, but it's not a showstopper. It's not dangerous. It's nice to have the water, you know what I mean? I always bring fresh water on. That's just really for washing dishes, so not really that fussed at the minute. The other thing that's more concerning though is the like when I've been using the toilet, it just stinks. As in, after I've flushed it, I'm guessing it's my black water tank, so I don't actually know I need to get that pumped out, but I don't actually know how it works. I don't know how it I don't know what the pipes do. I don't know what leads to what. I don't know what so I'm assuming it's going into the tank, but ideally we want it to go out into the, just out the boat. So there's that many valves, I don't know which one to be switching, so just another thing. But the good news is radar's done, so I've got up the mast, that fitted the radar, fits new wind transducer. All my electronics have all now been updated, so all my new Ray Marine stuff's in, and it's working. My new IAS is in working, so it's like, get 3 things sorted and then something else goes. So I guess not just boating. So let's see how I get on, and let's see if I can fix this. I hope I can fix this. It should be it's going to be straightforward. Hopefully it's in one piece and no bits have broken off, and it's just straightforward. Pull it out, put it in, and then might be able to get out in the free water potentially if it's still open, just to give it a test, or yeah, see how I get on. So I've got the plate off. Let's have a little look so I can see what way it goes back on, which way the blades turn. So that's the way they are. That's the way I've got to put the new one in. Get the old bits of gasket off there. Pull that out, new one in, and fingers crossed it fucking gets sorted. The old one's off. Doesn't look damaged, so I can't see nothing wrong with it. The old one's off. Can't see nothing wrong with it, but no idea. So I'm hoping that it is just that. As you can see, let's have a look in there. Any bits in there. So it should just be a case of putting a new one on. That looks quite sound in there, I think. better doing it from this seated position on top of the engine and just tightening them up now. So hopefully everything's fucking working. Oh, please work. Please, I can't be arsed with more shit. I just want a fucking working boat. So, provided that's worked, everything should be fine. It's all done. So, just packing it back up. It looks sound down there now. Open the seacock down there. Fuel tank's open, so fingers crossed this shit starts, man. Oh, if it does, I might just try and get out on the free water while the lock's open. Just get it out. But before that, I'll do a few laps around the marina down that end. So let's, fingers crossed, please work. I can't be asked if it's not. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go home. But I don't know if it doesn't work. It should do. This is just standard stuff, but obviously I'm clueless about boats, so everything's a drama. Everything's a big, massive hurdle. I have done quite a few bits so far, but just want this to work and get back to where it was, and then worry about the other shit I need fucking doing, which isn't really a showstopper, in my opinion. So here we go. Let's fire this baby up. Let's see. So. Oh. Right. So, there we go. Give that a little warm up, get them spark plugs heating, little 10 seconds there. And then here we go, let's see. Fucking fingers crossed. Oh, alright. First time for life. And fucking nothing. Fucking nothing. Fucking knew it wasn't that. What the fuck now? Ah! Fuck. What the fuck's that gonna be now? Fuck. Ah! Fucking knew that wasn't gonna be fucking. It was too easy. It was too easy. So now I've got to fucking figure out what the fuck's not working. Going nowhere. So I've just been over, spoke to the guys at Windjammer. Give me some tips on what to check. So I've got another set of things to check. I'll get there. I'm gonna just crack on. Just tried one of them now. Done it, what they told me to do, but I forgot what they said the result would be from what I got. So yeah, should have paid more attention on, but took more notes. But I'm gonna move on to the next one and just start ruling these issues out one by one. Just following the system back. I've got a bit more of an idea of what's going on now. So trial and error until then. So let's see how I get on. I just want to fix this, man. Just want to fix it. Right, so what I've done is I took off that, which is at the top of the impeller. As I unbolted it and pulled it apart, water poured out, like just enough to, you know, say just not tons, but a bit pulled out. Put it back up. I also put the coolant in. Then I took the plate off the impeller to watch it spin. Also, as I opened the seacock, water was actually coming out the impeller. So I don't think the blockage is at the front end, so it's going to be this end onwards. So from here, obviously I topped up the water there, and then there's these pieces here, which I think we were discussing before. So one of these, this could be where you were mentioning with what might need drilling. So I'm assuming impeller was spinning, water was gushing out the bottom, so it was coming through all this, and then as I unscrewed that, water poured out, but then it stopped. Literally a second is right, and then emptied. So that's where I'm up to. So it's a case, it's going to be somewhere this end, I'm guessing. So yeah, let's make sure I've got a video as well. So from here, I'm guessing somewhere down there. That's where Dave said drill, if check and drill.